Hello, I am Harsh Singh.
My name is Rafi.
Hi, I am Nandini.
I am Sparsh from BitScore.
IIT Walk. With Spilani.
IIT Roorkee. I scored a 375.
I scored 310.
297.
330. 371 out of 390 in the BitSat examination.
I had 100%. You open your JEE Mains result. Your heart is racing, hands shaking, and then disappointment. You stare at the screen, refreshing it again, hoping the number will change. But they don't. And just like that, month of effort feel wasted. You tell yourself, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe this was my only chance. You see others celebrating, securing their dream college. While you sit there wondering, is there any way left out for me? Your parents ask, अब क्या करेगा बेटा? Your friends move on. And you are stuck here of what's next. But what if I told you this isn't over yet? Right now आपको लग रहा होगा कि आपके सारे दरवाजे बंद हो चुके हैं. Like your dream is slipping away. But here's something nobody tell you. The real difference between those who get into a top college and who don't is not just talent or luck. It's knowing how to make a comeback. And the truth is, most students fail because they don't know how to prepare for BitSat. They think it's just another JEE Mains, another NCERT revision. But it's not. BitSat is not just about knowledge, it's about speed and accuracy and the ability to stay calm in the exam pressure. That's why we built Crackit's test series. Not just another mock test, not just another PDF full of random questions, but a test series designed by more than 30 plus BitSians and IITians. They have been in your place and they know what it takes. And now they have designed this test series so that you don't make the same mistake again. Let's hear from them.
Hi, I'm Pushkar from BitSpilani and I know how important quality mock tests are. That's why we have designed these tests keeping it balanced, and this will definitely give you the edge that requires to crack BitSat.
Hi, I am Ankit. It took us a lot of re-reviews for preparing the most impactful test series for BitSat. Start preparing for the best with Crackit.
Hi guys, my name is Harshil Mistry and I'm currently studying at IIT Bombay. I secured 389 out of 450 marks in BitSat. We together have prepared the Crackit test series based on the preparation techniques that are used to achieve that result. It's designed to maximize your performance.
Hello, my name is Rafi. I scored a 375 in BitSat, and together Team Crackit and I have designed special questions that enable you to score even more.
When I scored 310 in BitSat, I realized that preparation is the key. And that's what RFS series gives you exactly.
I'm Pranav Maniar. I'm a final year student at IIT Bombay. We didn't just create questions, we built the test based on deep analysis patterns that come in exam.
Hey, I'm Shada. My JEE Mains score wasn't that great, but I scored 330 in BitSat. I know exactly what it takes to crack BitSat because I've been through the struggles myself. That's why we designed Crackit test series.
Hi, I'm Ganpat from BitSpilani. I had 100% accuracy in maths of second attempt BitSat. I really wish I had resource of Crackit 3-time free doubt solving sessions when I had prepared for my exams.
Hello, I am Harsh Singh from Spilani. I scored 371 out of 390 in the BitSat examination, and we have made sure that this test series gives you the real exam experience which you need to crack BitSat 2025.
Hi, I am Avishkar from IIT Roorkee. I know the challenges students face during the preparation of competitive exams. That's why I work with Crackit to create a series that simulates actual exam conditions to stay ahead.
Hi, myself Piyush. I'm from IIT Bombay. We have worked hard to ensure that every question prepare you well for the real challenge ahead.
Hello, I'm Mitesh Punjalde from IIT Roorkee. What I know, every test in Crackit is a result to deep collaboration among students like me, and we want to give you tools and confidence to ace your exams.
Hi, I'm Rishita. I scored 297 in my BitSat, and I'm proud to be a part of Crackit, where we're building a platform to help students succeed like never before.
Everyone, I am Muskan and I am a student of Pilani campus, and as a part of Crackit, I will mentor you throughout your BitSat journey, and I would highly recommend you to follow the Crackit test series because it is made out of very much of efforts, very much of analysis and precision.
I am Nandini, a mentor at Crackit, and with Crackit, you are not just taking tests, you are getting feedback at every step of the way from mentors in the free community.
I am Swapnil Garg from BitSpilani EEE. I scored 310 in my BitSat. We have created Crackit test series so that you can prepare better, faster and smarter. So make most use of it.
Hello, I am Manmat from IIT Roorkee. We just didn't create questions. We built this test based on the real strategies and deep analysis that worked for us.
Hello, I am Aryan, student at IIT Bombay. Crackit test series, every question is crafted to push your limits and prepare you for success.
My name is Yashveer. I've already mentored 50 plus students. I am a part of Crackit to make your journey easier, help you in your highs and lows, and do not make the mistakes which I made during my JEE preparation.
Hi, I am Sanya from BitScore, and one thing I can say is you will definitely feel more confident in every section of BitSat once you give Crackit test series.
we have strategically scheduled our mock test starting from 6th of March, giving you the perfect balance. But this is not just another test series, it's bigger than that. Because preparation is not just about solving questions, it's about having the right guidance, right mentors and right support system. That's what exactly we build. When you buy Crackit test series, you don't just get mock tests, you get mentorship. Completely free. And to be honest, I am proud to say we are one of the fastest growing mentorship community in India. In just 15 days, over 1200 students joined us because they saw the difference. Bitsians and IITians personally solving their doubts in the chats. Mentors arrange Google Meet 3 times a week for them, breaking down strategies, answering questions and making sure no one feels lost. And the craziest part is, it is not even comparable to any paid mentorship. You have 2 choices right now. 1. Keep doing the same thing, solving random questions, hoping things will change. And in the end, wondering why you didn't take the action when you had a chance. And second, make a real decision today. A decision to practice like a topper. To train your brain before the exam, not during it. To prepare with the same test series built by students who have already done what you are trying to do. Because success is not just about luck, it's about choosing the right strategy. And if you are serious about BitSat, this is the strategy. What if I fail? You won't. What if it doesn't work? It will if you actually use it. What if I don't buy this today? Then a month later, if you are struggling with time management, pressure and accuracy, you will wish you had. And the best part is, we are offering this at a price no one else did. While other test series are charging 3,000 or even more, we are giving access for just 1299 rupees. You already know this is the best test series out there. But whether or not you take action is up to you. This is not just about BitSat. It is about proving yourself that when things get tough, you step up. So step up, take the leap, take the test series now. Let's crack it together.